15 miles in Panama. First cycling in Panama. It's undulations with short climbs.
Can you just say that again?
But it's undulations with short climbs, and especially this part is indigenous areas. There were some blockage. Am I saying right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because these people, they complaining and demanding better conditions for the living. Up to the mountain, we're gonna cycle down-ish. But it's been a tremendous trip.
Yeah.
Very special. I can say that you've been a very special group. Special, friendly,
Special.
When I see you come around, I try to forget all my fears. Your eyes take hold, my mind, my soul. When the smoke clears, sunshine in my memories, I see something.
Go on, sir, all the way. Make his name. I got this one.
Oh!
Is how we feel. Somehow we know. We let it go. Go with the
It can take more than half an hour or even more hours. My responsibility is to take you all the way to Panama City. This is not, I hope that this is not going to take that long. But at least in my opinion, we can go through on the bikes. It's only like
The thoughts swirling your head.